Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me for today's unboxing. And it's gonna be short unboxing and review, so let's get to it. Chances are that if you fly in a drone, either as a hobbyist, enthusiast, or professional, that you are using iPad, iPhone, or any other mobile device. And as you all know, there's an issue with the brightness, so especially here in Florida, it's really hard to see this particular iPad 4's screen. And even with the hood that I put on, it's still hard to see the detail. So chances are that if you were fed up with that and overheating as well, if you don't want to invest about $200 into the cooling case, that you got yourself a CrystalSky, either 7.8 or 5.5 versions. And we all know that the brightness is way higher than an iPad, and I already covered it in my previous review. But what I wanted to share today is actually an accessory for this CrystalSky, and that being a CrystalSky hood. Now you can get it for both sizes, either the smaller 5.5 or 7.8 inches, and prices vary according to the size. This one was, I believe, about $75 or $79. So let's get to it. Nothing special on the box, so you can see it says CrystalSky on the back. Monitor hood. So let's open it up. I already cut the tape so we can faster proceed. Put it inside. And as always, nice packaging, a little puzzle for you if you're bored. Little puzzle, and here is the hood and little manual, which we might need, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so as you can see, there are some buckles for attaching it to the CrystalSky. Now the smaller version, I believe, doesn't have the buckles. It sort of just snaps on the outside aluminum or magnesium casing. So this being a larger hood, I believe it's needed. So let me adjust the camera a little bit for you so we can get a wider view. Okay, a little bit like this. That's a little bit better. All right. And let's see if it shows. Okay, it shows that we should do the top first, and yeah. So I believe it also can serve as a protector on the screen. So let me turn it off. And so you can see on a detail over here that there's a little groove over here, which is basically for a sensor, light sensor over here. So what we're going to do is we're gonna put it on like this. Oh, you already see, there's already grooves on a bag, so that was planned ahead. That's very nice. Yeah, there are the grooves, 1, 2, 3, and 4 grooves in a bag of CrystalSky. All right, so basically put it on like this, and now how do we, so you basically just put it like this, so, and snap it on. Okay, that was easy. And you have a nice little cover, so you don't have to have additional cover from Polar Pro that I seen. I don't remember what was the price, but this is very nice. So how do we open it? Well, I believe it's just flip it over, just like there's little notches over there so it doesn't accidentally open, and I believe it's a spring loaded, so once I'm gonna pop it up, the sides will pop off as well. Yep. So yeah, that was very nice. So let me move the camera back a little bit for you so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, over here, and let's do it again. So yeah, we can collapse it. No special skill needed for that, and like I said, you just basically pop it open and sides pop up, and there's two springs on each side, you can see, and now you can turn it on. You still have nice access to the buttons, and you have nice shade on the sides and on the top. I mean, you didn't really need it for CrystalSky, but really the sun, it depends where you live. If you live in Florida or southern states, really where the sun is really harsh most of the year, you really appreciate this hood, I'm sure, and I definitely will. And what is nice is it doesn't have the sides going all the way out, so it would be like, oh, I have to go in, you know, all that like other hoods have. It's nicely slanted side, which is very nice. So nice access to all the buttons. We can go to applications over here, already have some applications. We can go to home, DJI Go, and all that fun stuff. So yeah, this is definitely a plus, definitely something that I'm glad I got. And I have to admit, I didn't even notice the grooves on the bag of CrystalSky over here, which were basically pre-made for this hood. And like I said, you already have a nice front cover, so this is very nice. All right, well, I believe this is as much as we can cover from this hood. And yeah, so if you have any questions, make sure you write them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. It is plastic, it is not aluminum. It is plastic, in case you were wondering. Everything is plastic except the springs. And yeah, if you have any questions, like I said, type them below. Make sure to subscribe for more unboxings and aerial views, images. And you can visit my website, aerialviewimaging.com. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook as well. So until next time, thanks for watching.